So I'm discuss very important topic: how to create and how to updating for XML sitemap on your website. What is the purpose of XML sitemap? Search engine can understand your website URL. The based on total will be XML sitemap. So this URL belongs to this website. The URL will be recognized by any search engine the based on the XML sitemap. Without XML sitemap, Google not call your web pages. They not show it for indexing count also. Any indexing count they given by the XML sitemap is totally dependent by the search engine optimization purpose. That is called how we can upload on your XML sitemap on particular website. First of all, copy this URL. You can go to website is called xml-sitemaps.com. So enter URL here. When click for options, everything will be enabled. Change frequency will be always. Always we can change your frequency. Click for start. They are totally checking by your XML sitemap pages. So website will be 10 pages, 20 pages or 5 pages. The page will be counted by here. But any website XML sitemap up to 500 will be indexing will be free. After 500, everything will added by everything will be manual. Or else you can say to developers to generate automatically XML sitemap. Any dynamic website, if your pages will be more than 500, but free XML sitemap is support up to 500 links for indexing. More than 500, you can go for Pro package. Free 500 pages on account. That is called XML sitemap. Any developer for making a site, the automatically generated by the XML sitemaps. So I'm clicking for view sitemap. Download XML sitemap file. Once you download your file, you can upload by using for cPanel. So that is called using for here cPanel. I'm writing here. Just log in. Here you can go to file manager. Any files will upload on your cPanel, that is called file manager. Go to public underscore HTML. You can check any existing file will be the XML sitemap. Yes, sir. Sitemap.html. When you are updating for July 25, 2017. Upload. Click here. Download. Sitemap.xml. Check this. When you are updating for July 25th. Now, reload. You can check. When? Today, 8/2/8. So updating is done. Once updating, the file will be corrected on how to check. That is called mydomain.com/sitemap.xml. The check will be like this. This is all updating based on the page frequency. They give the last modification. So here will be last modification nothing but your website, last modification of the content. Any search engine content. So clear? This is all very important from the updating for your website for all your search engine purpose. Without XML sitemap, we can't crawl your website URL. We can't block the website URL on the search engine using robo.txt. XML sitemap very key role play for particular website to updating for every week. Any dynamic website every week we are updating for XML sitemap. This is a very important from the XML sitemap option.